I never studied on the middle school. I never studied on the high school. I never go to the university. I learned English by myself when I was a younger boy. I also learned English from the countryside on the mountain. When I was young, I should call to see the glass. Go to the mountain. I also stay on the cave. I learned English on the cave. I learning middle school the English books. I learning also university the English books for traveling the knowledge by myself. I learned English by myself about 2 years on the cave. I also see the call on the countryside. If I don't know the English, the new words, I have from my hometown back at home, by bicycle to Yangshuo, go to the Lijiang to meet the foreigners friends. I take the English Chinese dictionary. I show the books for them. I ask the foreigners friend, "Hey, friend, can you teach me this new English words?" And the friend, foreign friend is very friendly. They're very happy to see me because I like to study English and Chinese children. And the foreigners friend, they can teach me how to pronunciation the new English words. So I remember pronunciation. And they also teach me how to make the new English words, make the sentence. For example, the mountain is beautiful. I learning the mountain, the new words. So I use the mountain, make the sentence. I say, Yangshuo mountain is so beautiful. And Yangshuo mountain is very clean. Yangshuo mountain is very strange. So I make the new sentence. Use the foreign friends. They teach me how to learn English. I keep in touch about 2 or 3 years by myself. At the 1998 year, I also passed the exam from Yangshuo, the traveling head office. I get the Yangshuo local English tour guide certification. So at the 20 years ago, I showed the foreigners to see my hometown, Yangshuo. I introduced how about my hometown, beautiful mountains and beautiful landscape, how nice the delicious food. I introduced for the foreigners, tourists. Meet a lot of foreigners, tourists on my hometown, Yangshuo. So my English more and more good. So thank you everyone, class. Thank you everyone, friends, to see my video. My video on Douyin is I'm also famous Douyin the Yangshuo local people. The Douyin the name is 双 Q 哥。